Whether you're adapting to new hearing aids or simply curious about app features and care tips, the Learn section of your hearing aid app is a great source for help along your hearing journey. The Learn section meets you wherever you are, with personalized tips, how-to videos, and quick tutorials that show you, step by step, how to use and care for your hearing aids, enjoy app features, and more. To use the Learn section, tap the Learn icon on the app home screen. Start by personalizing your content. You'll only see this option if you haven't done it yet. Tell the app how familiar you are with hearing aids, so it can provide resources that are most relevant to where you are in your hearing journey. Then tap Submit. The Learn screen will now provide you with helpful tips, videos, and more that change week by week. Or, if you're looking for something specific, browse by category under popular topics, or find it by typing keywords into the search bar. Anytime you need it, Learn is here for you.